Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your maths lecture of grade 3rd, and I am your maths teacher Aparna Pandey from DPS Lamachor. So student, you all know that we have started our new chapter number 13, and its name is Smart Charts, and the chapter name is Smart Charts. And this is second class of this chapter. Beta, in first class we have discussed all the basic things related to this chapter. We have done introduction class of this chapter. So student, those who have not watched that video, kindly first see that video, then only you will able to understand the further things related to this chapter. Okay. So students, now in previous class we have learned about data, we have learned that about pictorial graph, pictorial representation, and we have also learned about the telemarks, right? These all things we have discussed in our previous video. Now students, today I have one question for you. Today we are going to solve one question related to smart charts, okay? Here in this question you can see that the information is given in the form of a chart, okay? This is the information is given, and we can say this is the information, and these are the fill-ups which you have to fill after going through this information. So what we can say, the information that we represent in this way, this is called data, right? So what we can say that this is data, this is the given data, and you have to solve these fill-ups. You have to solve these fill-ups from the given data. Okay, one thing. Second thing is that beta, we are going to have some new words like maximum, minimum. So before going through this question, I am going to tell you the meaning of maximum and minimum, because in smart charts many where they will ask about maximum and many where they will ask about minimum. So we must know that what is maximum and what is minimum. Okay. Maximum, M-A-X-M-I-M-U-M. This is maximum, M-A-X-M-I-M-U-M, maximum, and this is M-I-N-I-M-U-M. This is minimum. Okay, we have two words. One is maximum and one is minimum. Okay. आपको कई जगह maximum can also be written in the form of max and minimum can also be written in the form of mini. Okay, mini like this. So students, what does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या है? देखो बेटा, maximum माने ज्यादा. ओके, मैक्सिमम कहेंगे तो किसकी बात कर रहे होंगे? किसी चीज की ज्यादा की बात कर रहे होंगे. एंड व्हेन वी से मिनिमम मीन्स कम. मैक्सिमम मीन्स सबसे ज्यादा, मिनिमम मीन्स सबसे कम. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव टू न्यू वर्ड्स, वन इज मैक्सिमम एंड वन इज मिनिमम. व्हेनेवर इट इज सेड दैट टेल द मैक्सिमम अमाउंट, मतलब सबसे ज्यादा अमाउंट की बात हो रही है. टेल द मिनिमम अमाउंट, मिनिमम मतलब सबसे कम की बात हो रही है. ओके, लाइक सपोज योर पेरेंट्स आर गोइंग टू मार्केट फॉर बाइंग टेलीविजन, ओके, एंड दे हैव आस्क्ड देयर प्राइस. So they said that we have, suppose your parents are asking that please tell me from which price you have kept the television in your shop. कितने price से आपने televisions रखे हैं? And suppose they are answering that we have from 15,000 to 50,000. तो मतलब हमारे पास हमारा मैक्सिमम कितना है? मैक्सिमम हमारा 50,000 है, और स्टार्टिंग प्राइस कहाँ से है? 15 से. तो मिनिमम क्या हो गया? 15. ओके, सो मिनिमम मीन्स सबसे लेस, मैक्सिमम मीन्स सबसे हाई. ओके, हम ये टू वर्ड्स का मतलब याद रखेंगे. ठीक हो गया. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज गिवन हियर. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज सेइंग the following list show the number of library book with each child. क्या कह रहा है ये कि the following list show the number of library book with each child, means ये जो लिस्ट है, ये लिस्ट क्या शो कर रही है बेटा? दिस लिस्ट इज शोइंग अस द नंबर ऑफ लाइब्रेरी बुक विद ईच चाइल्ड। हर बच्चे के पास लाइब्रेरी की कितनी बुक हैं, ये डेटा हमें उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है कि पर्टिकुलर बच्चे के पास लाइब्रेरी की कितनी बुक्स हैं, उसके बारे में ये इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है। दोबारा क्वेश्चन को देखिए, द फॉलोइंग लिस्ट शो द नंबर ऑफ लाइब्रेरी बुक विद ईच चाइल्ड। जो ये लिस्ट है ये क्या दिखा रही है? ये दिखा रही है नंबर ऑफ बुक्स विद ईच चाइल्ड। हर बच्चे के पास कितनी बुक्स है उसका नंबर दिखा रही है, राइट? Okay, so what we can see here is one list and we can say this is the data. ये हमें data दिया गया है. Okay, this is the information regarding the students having library book. So this is the data. But we can say here serial number, name of children, number of books. क्या है हमारे पास लिस्ट में? तीन चीजें दी हैं. एक तो है serial number, then we have number of children and then we have name of children and then we have number of books. अब देख लेते हैं फर्स्ट में क्या है. नंबर 1 में किसके बारे में दिया गया? रुचि. क्या लिखा है? रुचि. एंड नंबर ऑफ बुक्स 3. इन नंबर 2 who is there? The name of child? Riya. And number of books she is having 4. In third we can say who is there? Meena, and she is having number of books 2. Then in fourth we can say what is here? Abhi. Abhi is having number of books 3. And in fifth who is there? Suraj. Suraj is having number of books 0, means no books. So this is the data about the number of books particular child having, or this is the information in a form of list. This is the information in the form of list which is telling us the number of books and the name of students. Okay. Now what you have to do, see beta, such type of questions only we have to solve in smart charts. So now what you have to do, here you can say fill in the blanks. What is given here? Fill in the blanks, and these are the fill-ups which you have to fill from the given data. ये जो given data है इसे देखने के बाद आपको यहाँ पर से ये fill-ups को fill करना है. Okay? You have to fill these fill-ups after going through this data. Okay? So let's see what is given here. You know now. See fill-up number 1. What is given? Number 1 is dash has the maximum number of books. Dash has a maximum number of books. अब देखो, first please focus in the question. Dash has maximum number of books means कि हमें क्या लिखना है? हमें name लिखना है किसी बच्चे का. अब किसका name लिखना है? Has the maximum. क्या पूछ रहा है? Dash has the maximum number. Maximum. And what is the meaning of maximum? Right now I have explained you. Maximum means ज़्यादा. Maximum means ज़्यादा. तो ये क्या कह रहा है कि dash has the maximum number of books. तो now we will check here from the list कि ऐसा कौन है जिसके पास सबसे ज़्यादा books हैं. So let's see. These are the number of books. So what we saw? We saw that this 4. 4 is the greater number. 4 is maximum. So who is having 4 books? Riya is having 4 books. Who is having 4 books? Riya is having 4 books. So what answer we can write? That Riya has the maximum number of books. Riya has the maximum number of books. What we can write here? Riya has the maximum number of books. Okay. Now students just think, suppose in case of maximum, अगर इसने हमसे पूछ दिया होता मिनिमम कि डैश हैज द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ बुक्स. मिनिमम माने सबसे कम. तो मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ बुक्स में हम किसका नेम डालते हैं? लेट्स सी 3, 4, 2, 3 एंड 0. तो इन नंबर में सबसे कम नंबर कौन सा है? मिनिमम नंबर कौन सा है? 0. सो अगर हमें क्वेश्चन दिया होता दैट डैश हैज द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ बुक्स, सो हमारा आंसर क्या होता? सूरज. सूरज हैज द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ बुक्स. बट हियर दे हैव आस्क्ड अबाउट द मैक्सिमम नंबर, कि सबसे ज्यादा बुक्स किसके पास है. सो वी हैव सीन थ्रू दिस list and we come to know that Riya has maximum number of books. So what we have written here, Riya has the maximum number of books. Okay. Now see second question. Meena has dash books. What it is saying? Meena has dash books. So means here we have to write the number of books Meena has. Let's go through the list. Let's see. Meena. Here in serial number 3 it is given Meena. So Meena has dash books. How many books Meena is having? Meena is having 2 books. देखिए number of books Meena के पास कितनी है? 2 है. तो simply what we can write? Meena has 2 books. Meena has 2 books. Okay? Is it easy now? It is easy or not? Yes. Now see, dash does not have any book. Dash does not have any book. Means we have to find the name of a student who is not having any book. Okay? And here you can see number. One is having 3, one is having 4, one is having 2, one is having 3 and one is having 0. 0 means no book. 0 means no book. And what it is asking? Dash does not have any book. So what name will come here? Suraj does not have any book beta. Suraj के आगे क्या है? Number of books में 0 है. 0 means no book. So what answer will come here? Suraj does not have any book. What will come here? Suraj does not have any book. Okay? Clear to everyone? How we are getting these answers? Suraj does not have any book. Now let's see another one. Ruchi has dash books. Ruchi has dash books. Now how many books Ruchi have? How we will come to know this? That how many books Ruchi have? For this we have to go through the given data. Let's see. This is given data. Let's find the name of Ruchi. Acha, it is given in one number only. Okay. So Ruchi is serial number 1 and how many books she is having? She is having 3 books. Number of books 3, name is Ruchi. We come to know from here. So now we will fill here. Ruchi has how many books? Ruchi has 3 books. Ruchi has 3 books. Okay. Now see last one. Dash and dash have same number of books. What it is saying? Dash and dash have same number of books. So beta, now from the list we have to check that who are these 2 students who were having same number of books. So let's see, 3 is here, 4 is here, 2 is here and 3 is here. So but we can say 3 is coming 2 times. 3 is coming 2 times. So same number of books है ना, 3 यहाँ भी है और 3 यहाँ भी है. So let's see the name of the student who are having these books. So 3 Ruchi and 3 Abhi means Ruchi is also having 3 books and Abhi is also having 3 books, right? So what we can say? We can say that Ruchi and Abhi. What answer will come here? Ruchi and Abhi have same number of books. What we will write here? Ruchi and Abhi. Ruchi and Abhi have same number of books. Who were having same number of books? Ruchi and Abhi, right? So students, see here we have solved all the fill-ups very easily. How? Because the information related to these fill-ups was given in this data, in this list. Okay, so from here we have solved all the fill-ups very easily. Let's cross check once again. Dash has the maximum number of books. Maximum means ज़्यादा. तो किसके पास है ज़्यादा number of books? Let's see. Riya. So what answer we have written here? Riya. What answer we have written here? Riya. Riya has the maximum number of books. Riya has the maximum number of books. Then see, Meena has dash books. So Meena के पास कितनी books है? How we will come to know? Let's see. Meena has how many books? 2. So what we have written here? Meena has 2 books. Then what it is saying? Dash does not have any book. तो हमें कैसे पता चला किसी के पास कौन सा ऐसा स्टूडेंट है जिसके पास बुक नहीं है? So we have seen this list and what we come to know that Suraj do not have any book. 0 book means no book. So what answer came here? See, Suraj does not have any book. Then Ruchi has dash books. So how many books Ruchi is having? This we can go from this list. So Ruchi has 3 books. Then what is there? Dash and dash have same number of books. So dash and dash have same number of books. 3 and 3 is repeating 2 times. So we have seen their name. So Ruchi and Abhi. So Ruchi and Abhi have same number of books. Okay, students. So in this way we have to solve the questions related to smart chart. See beta, smart chart is very easy if you are getting the clear concept, and it becomes very tough if you are not getting it. स्मार्ट चार्ट ऐसी चीज़ है जिसे अगर आप एक बार में समझ जाते हैं देन इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू दिस चैप्टर. बट इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग कंफ्यूज्ड इन स्टार्टिंग कंसेप्ट्स, अगर आपको स्टार्टिंग में चीज़ें नहीं समझ आती देन इट विल बिकम वेरी टफ फॉर यू टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू दिस चैप्टर. Okay, though it is very easy, no need to confuse, just see the videos, just watch the videos carefully and every concept will be clear to you step by step. Okay, so students, today we are solving only one question. This one question is enough for you for understanding the method of smart chart. Okay, rest questions we will discuss in another video. I hope you all will like this video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.